guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing a crunch with a pelvic tilt. First, let's go over what that pelvic tilt looks like. So our feet are going to be pretty close to our hips. That doesn't really make a difference. They're just kind of there. The pelvic tilt, so when we're in this position, the small of our back might not be flush to the ground. So we're going to tilt the pelvis up so that way the back is really pressing down into the ground. So that is the pelvic tilt part. You're not really using your legs to do it. It's more squeezing your pelvis up towards you by squeezing your glutes. While we're doing that, we're also going to be bringing our upper body towards our legs. So the pelvic tilt happens as we crunch our upper body. So it's our upper body and our pelvis moving at the same time.